Hey everyone, Kyle Walker here. If you love cars, fixing things, or just want to understand your vehicle better, you're in the right place. I share hands-on tips, smart driving advice, and straight-up car talk without the fluff. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around till the end. You don't want to miss what's coming up. Let's get
Any
into it.
automobile engine is a complex mechanism that is made up of a number of important aggregates. If we take diesel engines, then in their design an important place is occupied by fuel pumps. What is a fuel pump? It is easy to understand what a fuel pump in a car is. This abbreviation means a high-pressure fuel pump. The fuel pump is located in the diesel engine, although it is also found in some gasoline engines. This unit is responsible for supplying the fuel mixture under high pressure. This is the basis of the functioning of any diesel engine. Next, we will have to consider the principle of operation of this part, its device, and existing varieties. And we will also study the reasons for installing a high-pressure TN on gasoline engines. How the diesel engine's fuel injector works. The operation of a diesel engine is complex and multi-stage. And important, even the main role is played by the high-pressure pumping mechanism. Many people will be interested in studying the principle of operation of the fuel injection pump, which we will now do. The fuel mass under pressure enters the injectors. This process should not occur arbitrarily, but at a certain moment. It is controlled by an automatic system. The task of the high-pressure fuel system is to create the required pressure. Due to the complete combustion of fuel in the cylinders, the user receives maximum engine power. The device and principle of operation of the fuel injector are organized in such a way that the working pressure exceeds the mark of 150 MPa. This is a very high indicator. To achieve it, the pump must meet a number of requirements. For example, the material for the manufacture of this part must be super strong and reliable. Manufacturers use a special aluminum alloy Al9. In the design of the pump, there is a plunger pair. This is a cylinder of a small diameter and a rod of the appropriate size. For these parts, a special grade of steel is used, which is designed for high working loads, 25x5 MA. These parts are subject to very high requirements. The speed of the crankshaft determines the amount of diesel sent to the supply and the moment at which this happens. By depressing the accelerator pedal, the load is increased and the engine receives the right amount of fuel. If the pumping system is in good condition and works without interruptions, the motor will work smoothly and evenly. The device of the diesel engine's fuel injector can differ depending on the type of mechanism. There are 4 main varieties of pumps that are installed on diesel units. Read also advantages and disadvantages of chip tuning of the car types of high-pressure pumps for diesel fuel supply. On different motors, which differ in modification and generation, different fuel pumps can be installed. In total, there are 4 varieties of high-pressure fuel pump that are used in diesel engines. Inline fuel pumps. Such devices are characterized by the presence of an individual plunger pair in each cylinder. They are concentrated in a single housing. At the same time, the fuel is supplied through separate channels. The principle of operation of such a unit is as follows. The plunger is driven by the rotation of the camshaft, which is equipped with a drive coming from the crankshaft of the engine. The pusher forces the plunger to move along the bushing at the set pressure. The exhaust valve opens, which forces the fuel mixture into the working cylinder. Mechanical or electronic systems can be used to regulate the timing and quantity of fuel delivery. Inline pump systems have proven themselves to be very reliable. They are reliable and robust. Now such devices are used on large cars. For passenger cars, other mechanisms are selected. Distributive engine fuel injector. Here, there are only a few plungers, which are responsible for regulating fuel pressure. A distributor head and channels are used to supply the fuel mixture. Such mechanisms are loved by motorists because of a number of important advantages. Small dimensions and reduced weight allow their use in the design of passenger cars without problems. Fuel supply is always uniform. Among the disadvantages should be emphasized low operating life. The reason for this is the increased load on the plunger pairs. Trunk fuel pumps. These mechanisms are equipped with almost all modern cars with diesel engines, on which there is an accumulator system. A fuel supply common rail. This mechanism is distinguished by fuel supply directly to the fuel ramp, which acts as an accumulating tank. The design is created in such a way that the processes of fuel injection and injection are separated. Due to this, the processes become more controllable. Most often manufacturers install models with 1 to 3 plunger pairs, which are driven by springs or compressed gas mixture. Models with hydraulics are not uncommon. Read also, how does the regenerative braking system work in a car? The most modern are such mechanisms. But for their work, it is necessary to use high-quality fuel. Otherwise, the quality of their work and durability will be reduced. Diesel engine booster pump. The priming pump system performs 2 processes at once. At the preparatory stage, the fuel is purified through filters that remove solid elements from its composition. The operating phase consists of transferring the purified fuel further through the system. During operation of the low-pressure pump, diesel is supplied at a slightly higher volume. Due to the operation of the booster pump, the pressure returns to normal when the engine is subjected to high load. Why is a fuel injection pump installed on a gasoline engine? Previously, such mechanisms could be found only on diesel engines. When injector gasoline units appeared, there was a need to install such parts and on such mechanisms. In injector-type power units, fuel is supplied to the injectors under high pressure. This is not the only function of the fuel injector on a gasoline engine, although it is the main one. These devices are responsible for some other important functions, regulating the amount of fuel mass that goes to the supply, controlling the moment when the fuel should be injected into each cylinder. Such systems are not installed on other types of gasoline engines. Such systems, although they are made of durable material with strict compliance with high requirements for safety and reliability, still need regular maintenance and control. Only well-coordinated operation of this mechanism will ensure smooth operation of the car even after a long idle time and in bitter frosts. Believe me, it is better to periodically check the condition of the pump and the power unit as a whole than trying in vain to start the car. In conclusion, the fuel injection valve is a crucial component of a diesel engine, playing a vital role in delivering the precise amount of fuel needed for efficient combustion. Understanding how it works helps us appreciate the complexity of diesel engine performance. With various types available, including electronic and mechanical injectors, each designed for specific applications, the choice of fuel injection valve can significantly impact engine efficiency and emissions. By grasping these concepts, we can better understand the advancements in diesel technology and their implications for the future of automotive engineering. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of diesel fuel injection.